Identify your fears. Understand what makes you feel anxious or fearful. Be honest with yourself about the things that hold you back. Start small. Begin with smaller challenges that push you slightly beyond your comfort zone. Gradually expose yourself to bigger challenges as you build confidence. Set achievable goals. Define clear and realistic goals for yourself. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps can make them less overwhelming. Take calculated risks. Bravery doesn't mean being reckless. Assess the potential risks and benefits of a situation before taking action. Practice self-compassion. Recognize that everyone faces fears and setbacks. Be kind to yourself and learn from any mistakes or failures. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive and encouraging people who believe in you and your abilities. Cultivate a positive mindset. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Visualize success and focus on the possibilities, not just the obstacles. Embrace discomfort. Growth often comes from discomfort. Embrace the feelings of uncertainty and learn to manage them constructively. Learn from role models. Look to people who display bravery and resilience as inspiration. Learn from their stories and experiences. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. It reinforces your bravery and motivates you to continue pushing forward. Acknowledge your feelings. Recognize and accept the pain and hurt caused by the situation or person you need to forgive. Allow yourself to experience your emotions without judgment.